It's Bonnie. Happy Friday! Oh my gosh, you guys, happy Candle Day! It's here! I don't know where the time went. It was just like Halloween yesterday. I'm running around the yard of my tractor and I'm like, it's now Candle Day. I don't know how this started. We have a busy week ahead of us because we have Candle Day and then Body Care Day is going to be on December 10th. And then we're running into semi-annual sale, which you know is going to be fun. I will be here. I'm going to be giving my tips, all my information on how to shop all of these sales. If you are brand new to my channel, welcome. I actually did, last night, I did a launch party for Candle Day online. It was so much fun talking to you guys. Thank you to everyone who joined my launch day party. It was fun. We were all kind of sitting in line waiting. It was funny. Right after I got off the video, I was able to place my order. So right now we're going to talk about the price. We're going to talk about online experience. Did you get in the queue? Was it easy? We're going to talk about a couple of candles. I got a whole tray here that are missing for Candle Day. I'm like, where the heck are these candles? I'm going to be reviewing candles all day today. I currently have 2 candles burning. We're going to start doing all this. I did get my order in last night. So during my lunch party, I kept watching my queue and it kept going like 8:24, 8:25, 8:26. I finally got in like right after I got done talking with you guys. I got in, I ordered. It was easy. It was like the easiest experience ever. However, I am hearing the opposite for a lot of people, which is unfortunate. A lot of people had to wait a really long time. It did get harder as the night progressed because I tried to get in again at like 9 o'clock and it was like telling me like an hour and a half. You had to wait in the queue. I'm like, whoa. So I think if you get on really early and you got lucky, you breeze through. But I know a lot of people had a really hard time. It was kicking them out. I was doing it on a desktop and not the app. I think it was easier on the desktop. I just went in today to check and I got in within like 3 minutes. So if you're shopping online today, it's not bad to get in. The problem with online is they're not doing free shipping. So you're going to have to pay $6.99, which isn't bad if you're buying like 10 or more candles. It adds like 50 cents to each candle, which isn't terrible. However, if you're only buying 1 or 2 candles, it really messes with the price point. Because then like if you buy like 2 candles or 3 candles, you're adding like $2 a candle for shipping, which is not good. You're better off going into the store. I did drive by the mall this morning because I had to take my daughter to school and it was a little crowded and like I'm a special situation because my husband just had a stem cell transplant. I'm trying to avoid like super crowds. And Candle Day is a super crowd. So I got so lucky. Thank you again to Bath & Body Works for sending me 12 candles to preview. That helped me out so much. Oh my gosh, because now I'm able to review a lot of the Candle Day candles. I got my online order in, so I'm doing good. I might try and sneak in later today or maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I got to just do it when it's not crowded though. I'm not going in there with too many people just because of my husband. But I'm hearing a lot of people at 5 a.m. got in and out of there really quick. So that was good news. I went in yesterday. That's how I got all my pictures. And the store looked beautiful. It was like all candles everywhere. It was so pretty. So I got to experience in store when there was like nobody there, which was a lot of fun. So last night, I got in. Here's what I ordered. I ordered Tree Farm. I got a lot of the stuff on my list. I have a list there. I got Tree Farm. I got the cinnamon stick and Waikiki Beach coconut. That smelled amazing in the store. I was like, that is a good one. I did get another one of the green candles, the cedar and suede. These are sold out. The ones that sold out the fastest were the glass candles and the one with the Santa on top. A lot of the Christmas candles and the fall candles are selling out. I got Black Cherry Merlot in this style. I love Black Cherry Merlot. I smelled it in the store. It smells wonderful. I got Caramel Drizzle. I got Merry Mimosa. I got Dream Bright. I need that for a gift. I got Marshmallow Fireside. sugared lemonade and blueberry sugar mashup. I got banana bun cake, and I got wine cellar last night. So I think I don't know how many I got. Like, is that 11? I think it might be 11. So I was super happy. I'm hoping they ship quickly. I'm like, cross your fingers so I can start reviewing them. I'm excited. It looked like it confirmed. So I have a feeling that all of these candles, but you never know. Some of them could get canceled out. That's the problem with online. You just don't know. So, as far as the jar styles, oh my gosh, I love the jar styles this year. This one, this is so beautiful in person. I think you guys are going to love this. The Black Cherry Merlot is gorgeous. Remember last year they had, like strawberry pound cake, Black Cherry Merlot in those clear glasses, and they kind of had like, just like, almost like a string of lights on them. Those were not as pretty. This year's are so much better. However, what's missing in this collection is they don't have strawberry pound cake right now, which kind of surprised me that strawberry pound cake did not come back for Candle Day. We may see it later. So I'm going to talk a little bit more about some of the things that are missing and some other candles here. So I don't know why, but candied maple bacon. This is one of them that Bath & Body Works sent me as PR. I don't know why this one is not online. That was kind of a disappointment for a lot of people that wanted to try the bacon candle. It is in stores. I saw it in stores. I will put a screenshot up. There it is. They didn't have a lot of them, though. They did not have a lot of the French baguette, the Tipsy Elf, which I think is holiday cheer with a twist. It smells a little different. The unicorn one. So here's what I pulled out. I hope you got banana walnut muffin if you wanted it. I'm not seeing that one or the pumpkin peanut brittle. Those seem to be the ones that sold out. Actually, a lot of the fall and the Christmas, believe it or not, I think we're the first to go. I'm actually seeing a lot of the Candle Day sale candles still available. But yeah, these are going fast. They still have caramel pumpkin swirl, the Washington's Finest apple macchiato, which is actually pumpkin apple. And then, let me see if there's any other one. No, oh wait, banana walnut muffin is still online. How did I miss that? These are online. You know what? I sorted. Okay. I goofed there. They are online. Did they just come back online? I swear the number keeps going up and down. I looked this morning. I swear it's at 150. And now it says 152. So there's a lot of discrepancy on the site. Last night it was 173. Oh, well, that's good news. Okay, well, if you're looking for a good muffin candle, get banana walnut muffin. This is like one of the best deals, I think, along with the pumpkin peanut brittle, pumpkin apple. Those are fabulous. Oh, I'm so glad those are still available. Well, that's good news. Okay. If you don't see anything you like for Candle Day, there will be more candles after Candle Day and rolling into semi-annual sale. Remember last year we got this collection afterwards? This was Raspberry Mimosa. I love this collection. It was really pretty. That Blue Spruce one was a little weird from last year. You know what we're missing though? We're missing Hot Buttered Rum. Where is Hot Buttered Rum this year? It was kind of late last year, but this is a favorite for me for Candle Day. We have no Hot Buttered Rum. See, usually what happens is Bath & Body Works will do like a collection of like similar patterns. Like, you know, the one year we had this. Wait, where's my other one? Check it out. This one, oops, my hair is all over the place. These two collections are usually very popular. It usually includes like red velvet cupcake, creamy nutmeg, hot buttered rum, of course, but we're kind of not seeing this collection this year. They've kind of done away with this. I don't know why. We've got red velvet cupcake in another collection, but I miss hot buttered rum. I'm not sure where that is. We're also missing mint chocolate. Where is mint chocolate, Bath & Body Works? Seriously, like, I don't understand why. They clearly have the formula for this one. Give us mint chocolate back. This was like one of my favorite all-time Bath & Body Works candles ever. I don't know why mint chocolate is not back. Caramel drizzle is back in the wrapping paper candles. That's another one that usually shows up in like that collection. Caramel drizzle is good. I love it. It is sugarcane crystals, melted butter, and sweet whisked whisked sweet cream. I can't say that. This one's good. Remember the plaid collection last year? I liked the plaid collection. That was nice. Last year we also had a Giving Tuesday collection, which was actually this past Tuesday. We did not have a Giving Tuesday collection, nor did we have Peppermint Marshmallow is not back this year, surprisingly. I don't know why. This is very popular. And then the other one they did not bring back was Peach on Earth. Remember Peach on Earth? I don't like this one at all, by the way. The Peach Bellini, I'm liking this year a lot. I was never a fan of Peach on Earth. It's the peach and cinnamon. It's fresh peach, sweet cinnamon, and frosted vanilla. I didn't even burn this one. Check it out. Brand new. But I did not like that one at all. I actually grabbed this one last year at semi-annual sale. I didn't even burn this one either. I have one that I did burn in the Peppermint Marshmallow. So I don't know where those are. The Butter Rum Eggnog, which we all thought was going to be Tipsy Elf. Not seeing Butter Rum Eggnog. Oh my gosh. I have a couple of these. This one, I think I burned a couple times. This is so good. I don't know why they did not bring back Butter Rum Eggnog. Another one that is missing this year that a lot of people like is Apple Garland. Where is Apple Garland? This one is, it doesn't even have regular scent notes because it's older. It's made with eucalyptus and cedarwood with notes of gala apple and mistletoe. Merry Mistletoe is back. Gala apple is not. This has like a really good nutty scent. I don't know why we didn't get Apple Garland back. Strawberry pound cake. Strawberry pound cake. I had to stop the video for a minute. It looked like someone was delivering something. Strawberry pound cake. I don't see strawberry pound cake. We had it in White Barn. I think that one might be sold out, but we don't have a special Candle Day strawberry pound cake, which I'm surprised because it's very popular. There may be coming. It may be coming for semi-annual sale. So if you like strawberry pound cake, hold on. It's usually back in the spring. I also pulled out my unicorn sprinkles. This is the original one from a couple years ago. I swear the new one smells more lemony and fresh. I like the new one. When I review unicorn sprinkles, I'll do a little comparison on these, but I just wanted to show you what the jar looked like from a couple of years ago. What else do I have? Oh, bourbon maple was available last night too. Bourbon maple is wonderful. So I hope you got what you wanted to get last night if you were shopping online. One other tip that I have for online shopping is you're shopping for candles. I would not buy anything but candles because usually what Bath & Body Works does, I'm trying to see if there's any other sales today. I don't even know. I didn't even look. They put them in these crates when they ship them, and they tend to ship a lot safer than in the boxes. So you want to try and do like, oh, they have buy 3, get 3 on body care today. They're trying to get a little body care sale going there. 50% off. Yeah, 50% off the candle holders. We're going to talk about that a little bit later because I'm going to review Santa Claus. Try and buy, like, if you buy like 12 candles, they'll neatly fit and they'll stack them in the that's how Bath & Body Works sent me my PR. It was perfect. It was not broken. These are really, really stable usually to ship in because they stack nicely and they're tightly packed. So I think if you buy like 6 or 12, they'll probably pack them like that. If you buy like 1, they might stick it in like a little box. So that's kind of my shipping advice, and they might ship faster if you only buy candles. I don't know about that, but that's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping they ship my candles soon. So anyway, woohoo! Happy Candle Day! Let me know if you got in the store today. I will be doing videos all day long. I'll be reviewing. If you see a candle here that you want me to review, let me know, and I'll try and fit it in today or tomorrow. We got 2 days of Candle Day. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.